Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your CPU speed. First, navigate to your computer's power settings, typically found in the control panel or system settings. Once there, select the High Performance Power Plan. This setting prioritizes raw processing power over energy efficiency. Next, delve into the advanced power options and ensure that the minimum and maximum processor states are set to 100%. This prevents your CPU from downclocking when under lighter loads, ensuring it's always ready for demanding tasks. Continuing with advanced power settings, it's crucial to disable any CPU throttling features that might be active. Look for options like Intel Speed Step or AMD Cool Quiet in your BIOS or UEFI settings, and consider turning them off if maximum performance is your goal. Also, within your power plan's advanced settings, set the system cooling policy to active. This ensures your fans spin up sooner to maintain lower temperatures, which is vital for sustained high performance. These adjustments help your CPU run at its peak without artificial limitations. Effective cooling is paramount for sustained CPU performance. Overheating can cause your processor to throttle, reducing its speed to prevent damage. Regularly clean dust from your CPU fan and heatsink, as even a thin layer can significantly impede heat dissipation. Aim to clean these components every 3 to 6 months. If you're consistently seeing high temperatures, perhaps above 85 degrees Celsius under load, consider upgrading to a more robust air cooler or a liquid cooling solution. Better cooling can maintain temperatures 10 to 15 degrees Celsius lower, allowing your CPU to boost longer. Finally, software optimization plays a significant role in utilizing your CPU's full potential. Close any unnecessary background applications that consume valuable processing power, even if it's just 5 to 10%. Regularly update your CPU drivers and operating system, as these updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Utilize performance monitoring tools like Task Manager or third-party software to identify resource-intensive processes. By managing your software environment efficiently, you ensure your CPU's power is directed where it's needed most, providing a smoother and faster computing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.